Okay guys, so what's going on right now is I need to replace my control board on my washer. Now what you're going to see is this code popped up. Let's see if it does. Oh, let's try it again. So it doesn't do anything. So what we looked up to see what it was saying it was a control board. So I'm going to replace this. I ordered it online and I'm going to put a link at the bottom, but this is what it reads, F01. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to pull everything apart. What we're going to do is, there's 3 screws back here. 1, 2, 3. We're going to do that. We're going to screw it, and then we're going to have the control board right here. Just going to unscrew, put everything together, and see how it goes. All right. All right, guys, just a friendly reminder. Don't forget, before you pop this open, the dryer, unplug it. It can electrocute you. Just in case, always unplug it. Okay, so now as you can tell, I just pulled off these 3 screws and we're fixing to pop everything open. So that's what we're going to change. So remember, look at all the cords, because we're going to unplug and plug everything back together. All right, so let's go ahead and start. Let's unscrew that one, unscrew that one. That way this whole thing can move. All right, let's start putting it together. So, taking this one, put it off here, this one, put it off there, and just gonna take them off as we pull everything off. Then we'll just take this off and swap it over, okay? Simple enough? Of course it is. So, start with this one. Well, start with this one down here. And just start plugging everything in the same way. So we already got all this side. Now we're going to do this side over here. So let's get a little closer. I'm going to put this down, but just remember this right here, this one right over here, these 2 right over here. All right. Okay, so I just took off this one and I replaced it with this one. Put everything back where it was. It was just this little box right here. So we're gonna cross our fingers, put everything back together and see if it works. I'm joking, it's gonna work. Okay, put everything back where it goes. That one screw, follow it down, another screw, everything screwed in. We put the protective plastic on there. Now we're going to put this top back on and we're going to start it. All right. Looks like we already screwed everything back together. We're going to plug our plug back in, and we have everything attached. No one's here to see what happens. On regular. And there she is. She's working. No code. Awesome. So this is what we replaced. And there she is. Great job, guys. All right, that's it for now. That's for another year, and then we'll start working her. This was the code, that 101 10641. And also it was on here too. I don't know if you can see that. W101. And it's right there. So W101 10841. All right, and it worked.